Hey everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I am holding a mug of tea in my hand, so you know I'm going to be talking about tea in this video. This is going to be one of my SIPS by videos. As a matter of fact, you're going to see this same intro on the next 3 videos that I do for SIPS by, because I'm going to be talking about some of their specialty tea boxes. If you have not seen any of my other SIPS by videos, let me just do a very quick rundown for anybody that might have tuned in and have not seen any of my other previous tea videos. SIPS by is a monthly tea subscription box. If you go to their website, you can choose from a lot of different tea options there. You can buy individual teas. You can buy, oh my gosh, they have so many specialty tea boxes now that you can buy one box of, or you can buy a 3-month, 6-month, or a 12-month gift card for great gifts to give to people that you know that are beginner tea lovers or die-hard tea lovers, or even yourself. And then besides all their specialty tea boxes, they have their monthly tea subscription box. What that is just like a lot of other subscription boxes, except this one is about teas. You fill out a very in-depth quiz with the company. They really determine what your tea preferences are, and then every month they send you a personalized tea box. The monthly subscription runs $15 per month. It's free shipping in the United States. However, the next couple of videos are on their specialty tea boxes. These are special boxes for birthdays, for helping to improve your mood, for helping to improve your sleep. I'm going to show you the box that we're going to be talking about today. I'm going to actually unbox it for you, and then I'm going to steep one of the teas out of the box on my video. All of SIPS by's teas arrive at your door in this nice compact cardboard box that says SIPS by on it. And when you open it up, there is an informational card inside letting you know which tea box you received. And this is the Black-owned Tea Brands tea box. And I'm really excited to do this one because I think it was a great idea for SIPS by to really push for inclusion. It says that the proceeds from this box will be used to support up-and-coming Black-owned tea brands with grants to help them grow their businesses. We thank you from the bottom of our tea-loving hearts for shopping small and helping to support diverse tea brands. The teas in this box are raspberry oolong tea from Shantea Thyme, and it tells you how to steep the tea. It tells you also the caffeine level, and a lot of the times they also give you discount codes. So if you really love the teas, you can purchase them yourself at a discount. The other teas that are included in this particular box are Mint+Coco tea from Aesthete. It's the black tea that contains organic peppermint, organic coconut. Sounds delicious. And this tea blend comes from Aesthete and Collective, a Portland-based loose leaf tea brand that specializes in farm direct organic teas and herbal blends. This box also contains Passionfruit tea from Tealing and Company that has apple pieces, hibiscus, rosehip, papaya pieces, strawberry leaves, pomegranate pieces, cornflower petals, and passion flower. Another delicious sounding tea. This herbal fruit blend is especially delicious and refreshing as an iced tea. And then finally in the box, I have a citrus rose tea from the TéSpa that contains rose petals, organic chamomile, oat straw, orange peel, lemon balm, lavender, and organic goji berries. Sounds delicious with just a touch of stevia. These all sound so good. I'm so excited to test these out. This box is a $15 box. So let me open it up. Let me show you what's inside, and we will steep one of the teas today in the video. This is the raspberry oolong tea. It comes in this adorable little canister. I think these had little sachets of teas in. I'm pretty sure, I just can't quite remember. And then I also have the Mint+Coco tea. That looks like it's going to be a loose leaf tea. I have my citrus rose tea, which I also think is a loose leaf tea. I have my passion fruit tea from Tealing and Company. And of course, which is really great, SIPS includes some of their reusable muslin cloth tea bags. So if you give this as a gift, you'll always know that the person you're giving it to, whether it be yourself or someone else, has something to steep the tea in. Let's get started. For the tea I'm going to pick today, I cannot resist this beautiful canister, so I'm going to have to go with the raspberry oolong tea. I love the specialty tea boxes from SIPS. You can find any type of box you could possibly imagine there, and this is a great box. It really supports a good cause. Thank you so much, SIPS. I really appreciate it, and I will leave all the information for this particular box down in my description box. Take care, guys. Happy tea drinking. Bye-bye from Marla.